Hello everybody, it is Brandon with How to Random, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble a Smith & Wesson 745. Now, this is a pretty cool gun. It's actually the 10th anniversary edition. My dad got it from a homeless guy in Montana a long time ago. And it is honestly a really cool gun. It's chambered in .45 automatic, and it is a single action semi-automatic pistol made by Smith & Wesson. So, let's get right into it. Safety first though, as I say and will say in every video, safety first. So first, let's take out the magazine. Nothing's in it. Set that to the side. And now the slide. Just lock this back. Make sure nothing's in there. And then you can finally flick the safety off. And to actually, instead of just like pulling the trigger and this hammer flying over and possibly discharging the gun, you can hold it like this. Just gently push it forward. So now you have checked the safety of the gun. Now, what you're going to want to do is this thing right here. This is the thingy that, actually not, oh yeah, it's locks the slide back. You can see right there, because I can just see. Yeah, it locks the slide back. And this right here is one of the main parts. So, if you look at the other side of the gun, there's a little dot right here. That is what you're going to need to push. So, on this side, align those two. And in fact, it actually should make a little kind of stop there. So now on this side, till it stops, push it up. Now it's stuck there. You can just pull it back a little more. And should be able to just take it out. Should be able to just take it out. There you go. Now this thing is out. And now, watch what you can do. You can just take it out. So now, to strip this part out. This is the slide, and it consists of the parts that you can actually take out of the gun. So, first, let's take out the recoil spring. And there. And now the barrel. Just this little thing right here. Oh, okay. And now you have successfully field stripped your Smith & Wesson 745. Now for the reassembly, if you're confused. Basically, just do the whole thing backwards. It's pretty simple. What you gotta do, this, go in like that. Make sure it fits snugly in the little, this, in the slide. And then, the spring, you see this little hole right here? That's where the spring goes. And then there's actually, right there, that little, let's just focus the camera. I'm not sure I can do that. What I'm pointing at right there, that's what the spring is going to get stuck at. So you gotta push. You're on there. One thing you gotta remember, this part right here, this little stick, needs to go this way and not this way in here. And now, you grab your body. This right there, and those right there, those two align. Put those on there. There. This thing right here, though, is going to be in the way. Literally just push it down. And then, hold on, it's just, this isn't, It's fine, I'll just... This always happens. I don't know why, but it just always happens. Nothing's wrong with the gun. It's just does not want to do anything right now. That's perfectly fine. Maintenance break. I accidentally put the gun back together. I don't know how I did it, but I just did. Okay, so let's just take the gun back apart. Hold on. I'm just gonna do this under here because it's easier. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. So for some reason the gun kind of got stuck. So I'm just gonna do that and say it's going back together. Just put it right there. Bring this thing down. And it should look like this. That's how the gun's supposed to look. Now you grab this thing. Make sure there's 2 holes on this side that this side goes on. So then, first let's just slide that right there. And then let's bring this back. It's gonna take a little bit of force because, well, it's a gun. I'm just gonna bring it this way. You really just have to push down on it and it'll go in. There. Just like that. And then let's just put the magazine back in so I can lock it easier. The slide lock works. Let's take the magazine out. Slide unlock works and it doesn't fly off. And trigger works. Hammer works. Safety works. Mag release works. Now, that is how you disassemble and reassemble a Smith & Wesson 745. See you guys in the next one.